Yeah, Arun, very good. I
Yes,
understand
sir.
you have done MSc in agriculture and MSc in
Yes, sir.
agri economics. Please tell us
Yes,
about
sir.
first question. What is agri
Yes, sir.
economics?
Okay.
I'm telling you all the questions you answer anyway. What is agri economics? What are the
Okay, sir.
subjects you studied in agri economics? And what was the
Okay, sir.
thesis you did in agri economics? What is the
Okay,
finding
sir.
of that study? That's all. Please carry
Okay,
on.
sir.
You have a
Okay, sir.
full 5 minutes time for this.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir. Thank you, sir. First, coming to agricultural economics. Agricultural economics is a branch of applied economics, where we study how the principles of economics can be applied in the field of agriculture. We study about we study in economics that how demand changes when how a supply changes when demand varies, how the market price is fixed based on demand and supply. These are the microeconomic aspects that we study in basic economics. We apply that in agricultural economics, and there are different factor relationship, factor product relationships, factor product relationships in production economics. So in total, if I have to generalize, say, in agricultural economics we just apply the economic principles in agricultural field, how the benefits can be increased with a limited cost, how cost can be reduced. All those things are studied in agricultural economics. And there are many, especially when we come to MSc, we will also study about econometrics, where we study about apply statistics in economics, how we can make researches in particular area, how we can draw some conclusions based on researches. All those things can be studied in agricultural economics. And coming to the subjects, second question that was asked was what were the subjects that I have studied. If I have to say about this, first I studied about first in first sem we will have a basic knowledge about what is economics, microeconomics, macroeconomics, and then there is a subject called production economics. All those things will be studied. And econometrics is, as I said earlier, it is also studied where we apply statistics in economics. And then we will also have a subjects related to general agriculture, agronomy, soil science, anyone we have to choose there. And we will have two subjects from extension, agricultural extension. Agricultural extension is a subject where we apply agricultural innovations in farmers field. We can demonstrate them. Even those subjects are studied. And we'll also study statistics. Thus there are different aspects of economics that we study in this subject. And coming to thesis, my thesis was on evaluation of price support and procurement schemes in Vijaypur district of Karnataka. This is the title of my thesis. I had four objectives in preparing this thesis. First objective was to find out different procurement schemes that are working in that particular district. What are the different procurement schemes through which government or any agency, government agency is procuring products from particular from that Vijaypur district. And then second objective was to know how minimum support price is varying over last 10 years, as well as how market price is varying over last 10 years, and what is the difference between minimum support price and market price, whether minimum support price is benefiting the farmers or not, whether minimum support price is more than market price or what. All those things are studied. And third objective was to find out how the what is the cost of cultivation of, I consider two crops particularly in tur and bengal gram. These were the two pulses I considered because these were two majorly grown crops in that particular district of Vijaypur, and these two were procured from government. So I decided to concentrate on these two. I studied the cost of cultivation of both the crops, and then I compared it with the minimum support price announced by the government. So I whether it is feasible, minimum support price which is announced is meeting the cost of cultivation of the farmers. These were the things I studied. And coming to the fourth objective, I just around 90 farmers I interviewed, and I collected the information that whether they are informed about the procurement schemes, whether they are benefited from the procurement schemes, through which media they get these knowledge about procurement schemes. These were the some questionnaires I put, and I interviewed about 90 farmers. That was my sample size. And based on that, I just analyzed the performance of the schemes in that particular district. Coming to the findings, first findings, I said that first findings for first objective was that there are a good number of procurement schemes which are going on. I listed out different procurement schemes, not throughout the district, even only in some headquarter taluka places, some schemes were implemented. I have listed out them in thesis. And second one is minimum support price is always, most of the times in last 10 years, most of the times minimum support price was always more than market price. And there was a slight margin in 2011, 13, like that. In some years, there was a very little margin where farmers choose to go to even open markets also. And always minimum support price has increased over the time. These findings was there. And the third one is minimum support price is always met the cost of cultivation of the farmers, whatever cost of
Super,
cultivation
super,
farmers would.
super,
Okay.
super,
Okay.
Arun. 10
Okay.
out of
Am I
10.
too long, sir? Sorry.
No, it was
Okay,
slightly
sorry.
lengthy, doesn't matter. 10 out of 10 for this question alone. And
Okay, sir.
you deserve very
Yes.
good appreciation because you are good in communication. Now,
Okay.
tell me
Okay.
what all you know about banking. 5 minutes
Yes,
question
sir.
for you. 5 minutes question for you to talk to
Okay,
me
sir.
on banking.
Banking, sir. Uh, Banking is one of the major role. Banks play a major role in economics of the any country, sir. Any financial health of the any country, it is played by banking. And it banks play a role of one who needs the money as well as one who has a lot of money. It acts as a link between these two. It collects the money from who has so much and it gives to the person who needs it so that he can invest it. At the same time, it can also give money to the person who needs so that he can invest it in a good in a good in factories or any investments, and he can earn so that he can the person who takes the loan and invests can provide a job for other persons. So thus it works as a link between two people. And coming to banks, it has different accounts, savings accounts, current accounts, and then are the fixed deposits. These are the different accounts it has. It also provide loans. There are different kinds of loans: short term loan, long term loan, and there are loans like pledge loans, mortgage loans. uh, uh, by what collateral we keep in bank, based on that we have different kinds of loans listed. And there are different services provided, how we can transfer money from one account to another account through NEFT, RTGS, maybe through DD. These are the different ways how the money is getting transferred. At the same time, uh, if there is a so much money supply or if there is less money supply, it is controlled by headquarter sorry regulatory body, RBI. RBI is the main banker to the bank. It or regulates the money supply in the economy. It does is through banks. It thus bank plays a very vital role, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. You answered this question also very well. I am happy about this. Now, please
Yes,
tell
sir.
me
I am not
various
satisfied, sir. I have to improve, sir.
please
Okay,
tell
sir.
me
Yes.
various government schemes government has brought for farmers.
Okay, sir. Different government schemes, as I know, one is Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi, where government gives 6,000 rupees to different farmers. Additional to that, government of Karnataka is giving 4,000. So, and different state governments will also give different amounts to their farmers in addition to PM Kisan Samman Nidhi. And then Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, where farmers get premium insurance for a crop loss. If it is a rabi crop or kharif crop, if it is a horticultural crop, different premiums are provided, probably 1%, 2.5%, and 5%. These are the premium provided for kharif, rabi, and horticultural crops respectively. This is one. And then is PM Paramparagat Yojana, where government encourages farmers to take uh, traditional cultivation, organic cultivation. This is one thing. And there is PM Matsya Yojana, where government encourages farmers to take up fisheries. And then there is one one scheme which has brought is Bharat One, where all the fertilizers are sold in a single brand, that is Bharat name. That is one more interesting thing which has recently come up, because government used to give subsidies to all the fertilizer industries and they used to sell the fertilizer in their own brand. So now government decided to remove all the brand and sell it in a single brand, that is Bharat. And government has brought a new technology, that is nano urea. It is also very popularly used. IFCO has brought it, and thus there are many schemes, sir. I am not
Good.
able to collect, sir, but if you ask me particular scheme, I can explain about that, sir.
Acha.
I will
Please
try
tell
to
me
collect.
about PM Kisan Samman Nidhi.
Okay, sir. PM Kisan Samman Nidhi is a scheme brought by central government in 2019, sir. 2019 February or February, I think, sir. I'm not what in
No, but
2019, sir.
no, where you are not certain, don't commit yourself. I never wanted the year
Okay,
in which it is started. Don't commit.
Oh, okay, sir.
Mm.
According to this scheme, government deposits 6,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees every 3 months in 3 quarters in trimesters, so that farmers get money
Every 3
for
months
their
or 4 months? Every 3
for
months or 4?
inputs,
Hello.
sir.
Every
Sir,
3 months or every 4 months?
every 4 months, sir. Sorry, quarterly, sir. Sorry.
Not quarterly. Quarterly means once in 3 months. But here once in 4 months. Don't
Once in
confuse.
4 months, sir.
Don't confuse between
Oh.
quarterly means every 3 months. That means 4 times in a year. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm audible, sir.
Yeah, good. Very
Yes,
good.
once in 4 months, sir, it will deposit 2,000 to the farmer's account, sir. One who has land, one who holds the land, and in addition to that, even state governments also add, sir. In Karnataka, 4,000 is given. In Maharashtra, in Andhra Pradesh also it is given. In Telangana also it is given. In Odisha also it is provided.
No.
Yes, sir.
The central government scheme is 6,000, and some.
Yes,
you are from which state? Karnataka.
yes, sir. Karnataka, sir.
So you should tell about the increased amount that is given by your state government. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good. You are able to do that very well. Now, I will ask 5 questions. You must tell at least 4 questions correctly.
Okay, sir.
Ready?
Yes, sir.
Expand PFRDAI.
RDAI. Sorry, sir.
Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority of India.
Okay, sir.
Good.
Pension Fund Regulatory Development Authority of India. Okay, sir.
Please go to Google, search and get to know details about that.
Okay,
what is PFRDAI and what are they doing? You get to know about it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Then tell me. Next question for you is name 5 chief ministers at present in India.
Okay, sir. First, Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath. Chief Minister of Maharashtra is Eknath Shinde. Chief Minister of Karnataka is Basavaraj Bommai. Chief Minister of Telangana is Chandrasekhar ji. Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu is Stalin ji. Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh is Jagan Mohan Reddy ji. Chief Minister of West Bengal is Mamata Banerjee. Okay, sir.
Good, very good. You told nicely. Good. Next question for you. Name 5 big rivers in India.
Okay, sir. 5 big rivers are first Ganga, Brahmaputra, Yamuna, Krishna, Godavari, Narmada, Kaveri.
Sufficient. Good. Name 5 hill stations in India.
Okay, sir. 5 hill stations. Himalayan hill stations, sir. There are 3 ranges of Himalaya, and then there is Aravali Hills, sir. Then there is Sahyadri and Cardamom Hills in Kerala, and then there is Eastern Hills, sir. Eastern hills. There are different hills.
You're telling the hills. I asked hill stations. Then you should tell Darjeeling, Shimla, Kodaikanal, Mahabaleshwar, then Uttarakhand, like that. You should tell the name of places.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You are
Okay,
from Magara. See, in Karnataka, you have some hill stations.
Yes, sir. Mullanagiri, Doddabetta.
Oh. At what height is it?
Kudremukha. Mullanagiri is the highest peak, sir. I don't know exact number, sir, but it is the highest peak in Karnataka, sir.
So please get to see some of the hill stations in Karnataka.
Okay,
of course, famous ones in South India, Uttakamand, Konur, Kodaikanal.
Okay.
These are then Yerkad. These are all famous. Good. Next question.
Okay.
Next question for you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Tell us about your family.
Okay, sir. Both my father and mother are primary school teachers, sir. I have one brother who has just completed engineering in mechanical department, and he is working in Wipro, sir. He has just joined Wipro. Yes, sir. Only
that is all.
And
very,
yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
Good. Last question. What is the interest rate Federal Bank is giving in savings bank accounts? 3.10. 3.10.
3.10. Okay, sir. I know this.
You must
recently
go through.
It has increased.
Okay. You must go through the website. You must go through the website thoroughly. Get to know about it. Best wishes. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. You did very well. 9+ out of 10.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You are Arun.
Yes, sir. Arun, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Yes, sir. Sir, I have one question, sir, please.
Yeah.